Hello mga kapapsis, good noon here in the US. Today, we are going to have a short road around Springfield to see the beauty of Mother Nature. With these two beautiful ladies. Shh! We're supposed to go for a road trip with Daddy. But since Daddy is no longer with us, so just the three of us to enjoy the Mother Nature, since around is already vibrant, colorful, and beautiful. So just to distract us after a big blown out in our lives, a sudden death of my husband. So it's been almost a month since he passed away last September 26. So this Thursday would be the first month of his passing. We try to move on because I don't want them to feel abandoned. We must move on. Although sometimes, but there are really times that we just tears just falling down and just really sad. It's God's will, so we have to move on. And so we will enjoy Mother Nature together. It's supposed to be with Daddy because it's my day off. We're supposed to go in the queue or to get a bubble tea. But anyway, so we will go now and we will be having fun around to see Mother Nature is changing. It's fall time. And then I will also take them for grocery, but I will leave them in the car. They are not allowed to get inside since they are not a support dog. So okay. Hi Fiona! Say hi! Hi Priya! Where's Fiona? Fiona! There's Fiona! Are you having fun with our trip a while ago in the USPS? Now we're going to Walmart to get some things, but before that we will be having a road trip around Springfield. Okay, so have fun and thank you for watching and supporting us. Yay! Thank you. Okay, ready? Are you ready, Freya, Missy? It's so noisy. She's barking. Halloween thing. It's just a decoration, babies. And now we are heading to somewhere to see the beauty of modern nature. Ayan, Mother Nature. That's fall season here. So Beauty is that. Ayan. Stress Lorette. Stress Lorette. Shh! Brings my ears. Sakit sa tainga yan, ha? YouTube. I will go here in this side. Let's see. Which part? It's prettier. Here or there. Let's see. Ayan, kanta na tayo. Minsan masakit pa rin, pero kailangan natin maging strong para sa kanila. Okay, ayan. Ayan. Wow. That's awesome, really. Just wow. See? You're out of breath because of your crazy barking, girls. Shh. Enough! Oy, there's nothing in here! Oh! Masakit man sa damdamin, pilit man limutin. Patuloy pa rin ang buhay. Buhay na makulay. Puno ng... Anong puno ng? Ayan, ang ganda talaga. Sarap sa mansa. depression. Girls, after this, we just go ahead, in the grocery to get some more needs. So tomorrow, me and my friends are going to access for my US citizenship interview. It's coming Thursday, 26. So that's really the 1 month of my husband's passing. We were waiting that for a month, for 3 months, but then she just go ahead. He was not able to wait for it. We already talk about staying in a hotel for a night, so the next day we will not be late going to the interview. But life is so unpredictable. Incredible. Accept the reality and go on with our lives. Yeah, I'm glad that Fiona now is coming back to life. She's now playing with Freya and she moved. So I'm happy for that because I was worried about her too after the passing of his daddy. So she's just like laying down. It's like lifeless too. I don't want to lose her. Both of them. It's just like too much. So now he's getting better and better and better. Especially when she can see people visiting in our house. She will be happy with that. No more leaves left. It's really fall. We are falling down. Babies, after this we'll go to the grocery na, babies, ha? So we can do something at home. I have to review for the last time. After the death of my husband, I forgot everything what I reviewed for the past study and review again. Hopefully it will just come back during the interview. For them so they can breathe the fresh air. Stop. Okay, stop. Your side so you can see your side. You cannot reach Fiona's part because you have your utility work ahead. So there are workers all around. In this area because we're heading to the Walmart grocery. We'll get some beans. Excuse me. How are you, Fiona? Fiona is enjoying looking outside. How about Priya? Is she enjoying too? Oh, look. To see the goodies. Oh no, I misspelled and I pronounced it not that really goats, but she still understand. Fiona still understand what is goodies. The goats. Drive slowly, huh? So you can enjoy the fresh air. there. They will be barking. Fiona will be barking like crazy. We will see the goats in here. At least she can release her feelings. Release the feelings. So barking. We'll go in this area. Let's see. Christian church. Anyway, we are just brothers and sisters, even though we are not the same religion. My gasoline is almost gone, so I have to refill again. That's Fiona and Priya's barking. The skeletons hanging there. Okay, let's go to the grocery so we can go home before I think it will be raining. We can go home before the rain. Mr. UPS is driving heading there, so I just drive slowly and slowly. Yeah. So maybe we'll just stay here until here, so we'll go in this area and then go to the grocery. I hope they enjoyed with our short road trip without Daddy. May Daddy rest in peace in heaven. Yeah. My life is quite difficult, but at least we will stick together. Fiona, Priya, and Momo. Ayan, look at that, the leaves. You can really see the fall leaves. To get first a gasoline. What do you think, Fiona and Priya? Do we need to get first the gasoline? Now that my husband is gone, so I'm talking with them whether they response me or response my talking talking to them or not. I'm just still talking. I'm talking with the decision we are going to make for our next step of our lives. So I told them about talking like a human, even though they are not talking back to me. Wow, they really enjoy it, huh? Oh, Freya is like feeling she's Rose. Car here, a truck, the remnant of the collection of my husband, so I saved that for a token of him, since he was working in Walmart and me too. I was riding with him before I got a job. It's a memory from him. A Walmart charity truck. Sakit na. Sakit ng ano. Tina na. Ang pangit ng tunog. Fiona, I will close the window, okay? Because we will be it's the first place, so she started to bark. Okay. I'll be running 55 to 60, so I have to close the windows because it's hurting in my ears. I will just get the gas later. Babies, you will behave in the car, huh? I will make it faster. Eating the things that we need. Stuffs that we need for the remaining days, for the remaining weeks that we are still living in our house, because soon we will be living in that house. Of course, we will miss that house. Since I arrived in the US, we never been anywhere to live somewhere, but only in that house. Fiona and Freya grew up in that house. It's quite tough. It's all saddening. Our life is turning upside down. It's all part of challenges, part of our earthly lives. Where we are going to park, huh? Maybe So babies, I will leave you here for a while, huh? Behave, huh, Fiona? I trust you, huh? You will look after your sisis, huh? Your sisi?